Hi viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Today's recipe is Masala Lachha Parantha. Some call it as Lachedar Paratha or Paratwala Parantha. This layered paranthas are flaky, spicy and lip-smacking, prepared with 100% wheat flour. Serve this Masala Lachha Parantha with some white butter, chana masala and raita. Oh my, this is divine. Doesn't it look drooling? Shh! I will share some secret tricks to make it flaky and crispy. So stay connected till end of this video. Try this recipe once and definitely this is going to be your favorite recipe. So let's quickly get on to the recipe. To prepare the dough, I have taken 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Add in 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, 1 tablespoon Kasuri Methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. Crush them with your hands and this will enhance the paratha flavor. Half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix them well. Mix them well and form these crumbles. To make the dough, I have taken 1 cup warm milk. Instead of milk, you can also use warm water. Add the milk in small portions and start to knead. To make the paratha flaky, I am adding half teaspoon baking soda. This is absolutely optional. You can avoid soda powder if you do not want. The soda makes the paratha crispy and flaky. That's the reason I am adding. 2 cups flour and 1 cup warm milk makes perfect dough. Adding milk to make the dough gives a good texture to the paranthas. So this is my another trick. At this stage I will not knead too much. The dough should be soft and it's now ready. Generally the paranthas are prepared by stuffing the cooked vegetables inside the dough, but this recipe is unique with no stuffing. Instead, I will be folding in the spices to make layers, so wait and watch. Now let me cover it with damp cloth and rest it for 20 minutes. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Amchur powder, that is the dried mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as per taste, and 3/4 teaspoon cumin seeds powder. Mix well to avoid any lumps and the spice mix is ready. To make the paranthas more yummy, I will add loads of garlic, mincing 5 to 6 garlic cloves. I love garlic. Again, for people who do not eat garlic, they can avoid this. Two tablespoons Nigella seeds, also known as Kalonji or onion seeds. The masala mixture is ready and now let's check on the dough. The dough has rested and is now perfectly soft. When you press the dough, it should slowly start to bounce back. It's time to give a good knead and make the dough smooth and soft and roll it into a log. Cut the log into equal size. I want to make large paranthas, so here I have 6 dough balls and roll them and tuck the edges. Dust some wheat flour and roll out the dough to as thin as possible. We are going to fold these parathas, so it is absolutely important to roll them as thin as possible. And with more folds, you will have more layered, or call it as Lachedar parantha. Generously spread over a teaspoon of ghee. The more you add ghee, the more tastier your parathas will be. And sprinkle 1 tablespoon prepared masala mix. The more you add the masala mixture, it will be super spicy. Now fold the flattened dough in zigzag way. Carefully fold the dough so that the masala remains inside and it does not come out. Basically, we are folding this dough in a fan shape. Now spiral, roll it and tuck the edge into the center. When we will flatten the dough, these folds will become the lachhas or the layers in the paranthas. The masala balls are ready. Dust some flour and now let's roll out our paranthas. And gently roll out the dough. Add in the Nigella seeds and minced garlic. Gently press them down into the dough and start rolling to slightly thick paranthas. Dust flour as and when required. The paranthas are evenly rolled out. Now this can go straight onto a hot tawa or a pan. But for the video, I just rolled out all the paranthas at the same time. These paranthas are neither too thin nor too thick. Heat a pan and cook the paranthas on medium flame. Flip the parantha and add some ghee. Let the ghee get into the layers and cook well. Again, flip it and add some more ghee for making it crisp. Adding ghee is your preference, but parantha without ghee is not a parantha. The masala paranthas are perfectly roasted on both the sides. This is the testing moment. Arrange the masala paranthas and crush it from both the sides using your palm to open the layers. Paranthas are ready to serve hot. These masala lachha parathas are so tasty and best to serve with some chana masala, pickles and raita. I am so glad to share with you the easy recipe tricks of adding baking powder and folding the dough. If you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and do drop in your valuable comments and questions and I will get back to you. I hope you like this recipe as much as I love preparing this for you. Thank you and see you soon with another interesting recipe.